Hello friends, how are you today? I think you are good enough, isn't it? Yeah. So for spoken English or all spoken, you have to know everything, because you are going to speak to someone, yeah. So on that case, if you go to the examiner hall, after asking about your name, they must ask your ID. So what's your ID? Or for interview, maybe they can ask you about your ID. So how they will ask, or if you are examiner, or if you need to ask someone about their ID, how you will ask to someone, yeah. So for spoken English, you have to learn it first. And even I need to say you one more thing. For spoken English, don't go for grammar first, because why? If you go for grammar first, you can't understand anything, because the language is first, then grammar part. So first you have to read or memorize our spoken classes sentences, and you have to understand it very well. Then you will discuss with the grammar on that sentences, yeah. Because if you go for grammar on fast, you can't learn very well, because you will be worried what is the grammar is, is boring, is hard, you will not understand, So first learn the sentences, understand the sentences, then you will go for grammar. So let's start the class today. So introducing ourselves, if you go to the examiner hall, maybe they will ask about your ID. So how they will ask you, can I see your ID? So if you want to speak in native speaker, so how you will ask to someone, yeah, or examiner will ask to you, so can I see your ID? Can I see your ID? Maybe they can tell you, can I see your ID please? Can I see your ID? Can I see your ID please? Or can I see your ID? So for the native speaker, they can ask you, or you can ask, can I see your ID? One more thing, we are teaching the pronunciation. For the speaking, the pronunciation is the first priority. If your pronunciation is good, you will speak good. The listener will understand you very well done. So I wrote the Bengali meaning for you. You can see very well, I hope. So this is one question, can I see your ID please? Examiner will ask the question, must. Anywhere you go to for interview or something, or Bible, they'll ask you ID. So how they ask you? Practice with me. Can I see your ID please? Or you will ask, can I see your ID please? Thanks for watching Need to Learning English. For the spoken English, you have to read it and memorize it, and then you have to understand it, then you will go for grammar. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a good day for you guys.